friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Kids Fun Magic World. Friends, today our topic is Essay on Smart India in English. Introduction to Smart India. India, a nation known for its diversity and dynamism, is embarking on a transformative journey towards becoming a smart India. This vision encompasses harnessing the power of technology and innovation to propel economic growth, enhance quality of life, and ensure sustainable development across the country. The concept of a smart India goes beyond just urban development. It encompasses inclusive growth, digital empowerment, and leveraging technological advancements to address societal challenges effectively. Vision for a Smart India. The vision of a Smart India revolves around leveraging technology to create first, inclusive growth, ensuring that the benefits of development reach every citizen irrespective of their background or geographic location. Second, sustainable development, promoting practices that preserve the environment and ensure long-term viability for future generations. Third, digital empowerment, empowering citizens with access to digital tools, information, and services to improve their quality of life. Key pillars of Smart India. To achieve the vision of Smart India, several key pillars are essential. First, digital infrastructure. Digital infrastructure forms the backbone of a smart India, enabling seamless connectivity and access to information for all citizens. This includes first, broadband connectivity, ensuring high-speed internet access even in remote areas to bridge the digital divide. Second, digital literacy, promoting digital literacy programs to ensure that every citizen can leverage digital tools for personal and professional growth. Second, smart governance. Efficient and transparent governance is crucial for the success of Smart India. Key concepts include first, e-governance, implementing digital platform for citizen services, public administration, and government transparency. Second, smart policies, formulating policies that leverage technology to address complex challenges such as urbanization, healthcare, and education. Third, sustainable development, ensuring that development is sustainable and environmentally friendly is another pillar of Smart India. First, green energy, promoting renewable energy sources such as solar and wind power to reduce carbon footprint. Smart transportation, implementing intelligent transportation system to reduce congestion, improve air quality, and enhance mobility. Fourth, economic growth and innovation. Fostering economic growth and innovation through technological advancement is essential. Startup ecosystem, supporting startup and entrepreneurs to innovate and create solutions that address local and global challenges. Digital economy, promoting digital payments, e-commerce, and digital marketplaces to boost economic activity and financial inclusion. Implementation strategies, implementing the vision of Smart India requires strategic planning and collaboration between government, private sector, and civil society. First, public-private partnership (PPP), encouraging partnerships between government and private companies to leverage expertise, resource, and funding for large-scale projects. Second, capacity building, investing in training program and skill development initiative to equip citizens and government officials with the necessary skill to thrive in a digital economy. Third, innovation hubs, establishing innovation hubs and inclusion centers to foster creativity, collaboration, and entrepreneurship among the youth and startups. Impact of Smart India initiative. The initiative under Smart India Mission are already making a tangible impact. Improved infrastructure, development of smart cities with modern amenities and efficient public services. Enhanced quality of life, better healthcare, education, and public safety through technology-driven solutions. Economic growth of the digital economy, job creation, and increased investment in technology and innovation. Challenges and the way forward. Despite the progress, Smart India faces several challenges. Digital divide, bridging the gap in digital literacy and internet access between urban and rural areas. Privacy and security, safeguarding citizen data and ensuring cyber security in an increasingly connected world. Sustainability, balancing economic growth and with environmental conservation and sustainable development practices. In conclusion, Smart India represents a visionary approach to harnessing the power of technology and innovation for inclusive and sustainable development. By focusing on digital empowerment, smart governance, sustainable practices, and economic growth, India is laying the foundation for a prosperous future. As the initiative under the Smart India mission continues to unfold, it is essential to prioritize inclusivity, transparency, and environmental stewardship to ensure that all citizens benefit from this transformative journey. Together, we can build a smart India that serves as a beacon of progress and innovation for the world. Thank you friends for watching my video. Friends, I hope you like my video. Friends, if you like my video, so please subscribe, share and comments. Bye friends.